This is a school news update. The Supreme Secondary Learning Government, or SSLG, recently conducted a meeting to discuss ways of improving cleanliness and environmental awareness in the schools. One of the main topics discussed is the proper implementation of waste segregation. After planning and coordination, SSLG officers began introducing the program to different classrooms. The initiative aims to encourage students to separate biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and recyclable waste properly. For more details, we go live to our field reporter.
At sa ngayon po ay nandito po tayo sa Rafael L. Lazatin Memorial High School, Senior High School, kung saan ang mga SSLG officer ay iniimplementa ang waste segregation program. Kasunod nito ang tagumpay nilang pagpupulong kasama ang mga guro at student leader upang i-explain sa kanilang mga kamag-aral na gaano kaimportansya ang waste disposal. At inaasahan ng mga SSLG officers na mabawasan ang basura sa paaralan upang mapanatili ang kalusugan ng mga taong nakapaloob dito. At ako nga pala si Pacifico G. Rivera, reporting live in this campus. Back to you in the studio.
Conducted a meeting to discuss
3, 2, 3, go.
At sa